Essential Infusions Plus. I'm here with Tammy, and we are going to talk a little bit about our IV infusions. We get a lot of questions about what infusions we offer, what the benefit is, how do I know what to do? So let's talk about it. Let's talk about what we offer and the different benefits associated with each one so you can make a great decision. So Tammy's got the list. Go ahead, Tammy.
Hey everybody. So we'll just start first by talking about just our basic hydration IVs.
So hydration, for those of you who don't know, we are chronically underhydrated. I wouldn't say necessarily dehydrated to the point where we're showing signs of problems with our kidneys, but we are an underhydrated society, and hydration is so underrated. We need to get the hydration in us so we can flush the toxins, we can hydrate our skin, our brain. It helps with fatigue. It helps you get over an infection or prevent infection. It helps your immune system. It helps your muscles move, your joints be padded with that fluid. There are so many different reasons to stay hydrated. Okay, but let's name some of the obvious ones. You have a GI bug and you're throwing up or other stuff coming out the other end. Hydration is really important. You're pregnant and you're not able to tolerate enough fluids. That's another important reason. Also, anybody with gastric surgery, sometimes getting enough fluids in can be a problem for that. And then, say you are outside in the heat a lot or even one time, hydration is going to be really important either before you go out or after. And then obviously the drinking the alcohol type thing can be really dehydrating for you as well. So there's lots of reasons why doing just hydration can be really important for people.
Yes, and so we have just a couple options with those. Like we have a 500, and then we have a whole liter bag, and we can also tailor them to whatever you need with that. Also, more if you need it.
So just so you guys are aware, I am a family nurse practitioner, so I do take care of children as well. So this is one thing I will do for children. Say you have a child who has had some GI issues and has been ill. This is something we can do as well. So that can be helpful as well. It's based on their weight, just so you're aware. But for adults, most adults can tolerate 1 full liter, 2 full liters very easily. And we can add on bags depending on your symptoms and such a thing. So.
Okay, so next I'll just get into some of our more specialized IVs. So we have what's called the Beauty Queen. So the Beauty Queen is a high dose vitamin C.
So vitamin C is super important for so many different things. We all understand it's important for immunity, but it also helps with our hair, skin, and nails. So giving a bigger dose in the IV can really help with that issue, can help your skin glow. And one of the reasons we do it IV is they have done studies that show you can take high doses of vitamin C supplements and you still don't get your blood level to the same consistency as you would if you were to get the vitamin C IV. So vitamin C IV bypasses that whole digestive tract and gets it right into your blood system, right into your cells. So doing a beauty queen like that can be very, very helpful for hair, skin, and nails.
And just a reminder too, we can always add on like biotin or something else with it too. Again, we can kind of tailor these to whatever it is that you're looking for.
Yeah, we have lots of different add-ons. We have something for nausea. We have something for pain, Benadryl. So the hydration one, we can. That's really good for people with migraines too, to do a little bit of a mix as well.
And then one of our next ones is called Get Up and Go. So that's doses of multiple B vitamins and vitamin C.
So again, vitamin C IV, really good for you. The hydration is going to help, but the B vitamins, most of us realize that B vitamins are great for energy, but they can also help with cognition. So that's a great one if you're looking for a little pick me up to get up and feel a little better.
And then the next one we have is the Good Times.
That is our hangover remedy, essentially, is what it is. And it's hydration, something for nausea, something for pain, and can really help you either prevent a hangover or get over one quickly. I had one guy I gave it to after he had been drinking, and he said the next morning he was out mowing his lawn first thing in the morning. He said, I never do that. Usually I feel like crummy the next time. And for many people who, as they get older, they realize that alcohol affects them differently as they get older, and they're just not able to function the next day as well as they used to. So thinking ahead and preparing can be good. And just putting this out here, we also do IV parties. So we will come to your house and give you IVs. So if you know you're doing a bachelorette party or a bachelor party, or you're doing a rehearsal dinner or a girls' night out or whatever, this is something that can come to you. We can bring these to you and do them in house.
Yes. And then we have our migraine one, which we touched on a little bit a few minutes ago, but she can go into depth with that a little more.
So again, for those of you who suffer from migraines, they can be very detrimental to your health and just take you out of the picture. You can't work, you can't go to school, you can't function, and you just want to lay in a dark room. So this is the same concoction that you would likely get in an emergency room going in there. Only we can do it either in our clinic, we can come to your home as well, prevent that hospital going into the hospital and doing it. Something for nausea, something for pain. If you have a driver, we'll give you a big dose of Benadryl and knock you out while we hydrate you. And most people wake up feeling 100 times better.
Yep, love that one. And then we have our flu buster.
I think this is probably our most popular one. This has been really great. And this is one I get a lot too. It's great for immunity. So this one, if you know you're going to travel, or if you know you're going to be around a lot of people who possibly may be sick, or if you have been around sick people or you're starting to get sick, this is the IV you want to have. So it's got vitamin C, high dose of vitamin C, and it's got zinc and glutathione in it. So those three things together work really well to help you get over that illness. And then always, 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 hydration is always going to be really good for that as well. So this is an extra big dose of hydration.
And then just a reminder too, in Rochelle, we have Wellness Wednesdays now. So there is a discount on those flu busters on Wednesdays in Rochelle. In Freeport on Tuesdays, once a month, the first Tuesday of the month, we do a discount on the flu busters there. And then in Winfield, we have the discount on Thursdays.
And in Byron on Thursdays as well. So
First Thursday of the month, yeah.
yeah, first Thursday of the month. So there is a sale for this, and that will be running through many months for sure. And if people like it, we may continue it, but at least through the next few months as we go into winter, this will be really important. So.
And then we have our hydrogen peroxide IV.
So this one is very interesting. This can be used in a lot of different things, but it has been proposed to be beneficial for people with deposits in their coronary arteries and to help with inflammation. This is a specialty one that would definitely require working with us on it and coming up with a protocol. It's not just like a one and done. This is a whole protocol where you do several in a row. So that's something, if you've heard of it, if you're interested, we do offer it, but that would require, a special plan put together for you. So we do have that.
And then the same thing with, we do have high dose vitamin C IVs also, that it's the same type of thing that goes with a plan and working with you on what exactly your needs are, but we do have those available also.
And that's specifically 15 grams of vitamin C or higher. And just for people's reference, a lot of people use it in adjunct with their cancer treatment. And so that's something that we can discuss as well.
And then we have our master anti-aging, which is vitamin C and glutathione.
So we talked about the vitamin C. Glutathione is pretty darn amazing. This is the master antioxidant that's produced by our liver. What its job to do is to fight all the free radical damage that's going on in our cells. So as we get injured or sick, our cells release free radicals, and then they bounce around and cause all this damage. And antioxidants, what they do is they come in and calm down that damage that's going on. So glutathione is great for that. And as we get older, our normal production of glutathione goes down. We need more glutathione. Specifically, people who've gone through a lot of trauma, been ill, like COVID or cancer patients, those type of things, they need more glutathione. Glutathione has also been shown to lighten skin sometimes. So there are a lot of people who will get it just to help lighten their skin a little bit. So that's another added benefit for it. But it can really help with overall skin health and hair health because it helps fight that free radical damage.
So that was our master anti-aging, and that one is just glutathione. I misspoke a second ago. Our mega beauty queen is the vitamin C and glutathione. So we also have that one.
So there you go. So you can do glutathione by itself, or you can do it in conjunction with the vitamin C. That was my mistake as well. But we do have both of those offering. Like I said, we do a lot of mixing and matching depending on what you're looking for.
And then we have our most inclusive one, which is the Myers cocktail.
Myers cocktail has several different things in it. It's got the B vitamins, so that helps with overall hair, skin, and nails. It helps with energy. It helps with immunity. It can help with neuro and cognitive function. It's got glutathione in it. We talked about the free radicals, and it's got vitamin C as well. So really important to help with overall health. This is the big one I think that a lot of people are aware of. They've heard of the Myers cocktail, and this one's great for overall health. But really depending on what you're looking for, there's several different ones in there we can adjust. And so they're all great for you. And they're great. You feel very good with them. Typically, when people ask me, well, what do you recommend? For overall health, I'm going to recommend monthly infusions. That you come in and get hydrated and get some vitamins in your IV where they go directly to your cells. You're not having to pass through the digestive tract, and get that monthly. Get that boost of the glutathione to help the free radical damage going on in your body. But if you have a specific need, that's something we talk about. And we individualize our plan based on that. So.
Great. And then just a reminder that if you get 6 or more of them, we always have a 10% discount. And if you do 10 or more, that's a 15% discount on that package.
Yeah, so we have packages to put together. So if you know you're going to be coming in monthly, or if you want to get a few, or you're trying to get over something, that's a great option to help you save some money. And I think it's a great way. A lot of our patients do like that. So.
Perfect.
But this has been, again, just a reminder, we do these in-house or for events. We would do them for corporate events too. We're happy to bring these to you. They're very portable. They're also great add-ons if you come in for, say, a beauty procedure, or we're going to start with some different detoxing things to add this on to what you're already getting done here. If you're getting Botox or whatever, or PRP, it's a great add-on to that, just to really make best use of your time and your energy, and to really get a really good benefit for your body. So thanks for joining us, Tammy. I appreciate walking us through that. We're always happy to help you. All of these infusions are available at all of our locations. Just call our number, 815-414-2024 during the business hours, and we will be happy to make an appointment for you and set you up. And just so you guys are aware, if you are not a current patient, it does require a medical screening by me prior to getting your first one. And then that medical screening is good for a year. So just so you guys are aware of that medical screening process that will happen on the first appointment. And typically that can happen either if I'm here in person or over the phone. So just a screening process does not require any lab work at that point. So.
All right.
We'll
Thank you
talk
so
to
much.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. We'll talk to you guys soon, and see you at